Hello everyone, and today we will learn how to install Python and set up the IDE to run Python based program. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the Python official website, python.org. You can go directly to the downloads and download the Python latest version. I'm on Windows and I'm downloading for Windows. The process for the Mac is similar with a little bit of difference because Mac has two versions of Python. The one which is installed is Python 2.0, and on the website you can see version 3. So you need to run Python on the Mac by the command Python 3. On Windows you can directly type on the command line Python and the IDE. It will shoot up. So I have already downloaded Python and I'll show you on the command prompt. It's just easy by clicking next. So if you go to the command prompt and if you type Python, over here you can see the Python prompt, and you can exit by using the exit command, or you can use Ctrl+C. There is an exercise file also. I will drop the link for exercise file, which there are a number of py files which can help you in learning Python. So basically Python is quite easy to understand and user-friendly language. The IDE which I am using, you can use it on the command prompt itself, but to rectify and to note what error pops up, you can use different IDE. The first one, which is one of my favorite, is Visual Studio Code. It's available for Windows, Linux and Apple. I'm using it for Windows. The other one is Sublime Text. This is also one of the finest one with the errors in colors and the compile statements in colors. The third one is Pycharm. This is also based, basically it was based on Python, but it can run other programming languages. And the last but not the least is the Notepad++, which is the very old and the most common one. So I'll be using Visual Studio Code over here. So I have opened the exercise file within this environment IDE. So let me create a file in this folder. Right click on the folder and click new file. So give it a name by hello like underscore or just give it hello yase2.py. So here we are. This is the main IDE and this is the command line. It's just like the command line. Typing something on the command line is similar to this. The difference is that the output is produced on this terminal over here, whereas the output is produced on the command line straightforward. So instead of using this blank and poor environment, you can use Visual Studio. It is more challenging, and even you can install several extensions on this. So let me show you. If you go over to the extension, make sure to install Jupyter Key Map, Jupyter Notebook, Pylines and Python. You can install this manually also. If you have downloaded my exercise file, you can browse to the path, and you can browse to the path, and here you can type PIP, which stands for Package Installation for Python, and space install and notebook. I have already installed, so it will be a bit fast, and then you need to run that notebook. That Jupyter notebook will run with one of your favorite within one of your favorite browser. So just write Jupyter notebook, and here it is inside Microsoft Edge. Here you can see the same files which I have over here. So let's go to my files and create one more over here. Click new and Python 3 IPY kernel. Click run here and you can see the result over here. So this is basically used for the variables which we will learn in the future videos. You can use it for the type. For example, if I use type and write, I want to know like what type of variable is this. So just click run and it will show float over here. So Jupyter Notebook is useful. We will be using these from time to time. Let's get back to the Visual Studio Code and create a simple program to show how Python codes are compiled and print on the command line. So for the comment, I will go for hash. Right, this is something hello, or I'll go for hello world something Yasir, my own name, and then print a simple command. The help will pop up. You can use it and just type over here instead of hello world, let's do something different like hello Yasir, and there you go. Now click on this run and debug. Click on run and debug again, and here you will see hello Yasir is printed, followed by the path with the drive where the files, exercise files are. So let's give another try with an variable like a equals something 12 and b equals 13, or make it 4, and then c equals a plus b, and then just go for print the value of c, like this will be in inverted commas, and then you can go for the value of c. So this will print exactly the value of c, which is the addition of 12 and 4. So click run command once again, and then you can see the c value of c is 16. So this was a simple program for Python. This is the IDE which I will be using throughout further in the future videos of Python. So if you like my video, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye bye.